welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to cash trades like this using only market structure, right? And this strategy I'm going to teach you, I've been able to use this strategy to make money out of the market, and you too can do it because the strategy is very mechanical and it's very easy to apply. You just need to follow the rules. Understand? So before I start showing you the setup and the strategy, I want to show you guys that I shared this strategy on my 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 team with my team. So if you want, you can join my Telegram. It's free. I'll be dropping the link in the description. As you can see, I shared it and everything. I even dropped the things you need to know. You understand? To go on back test. So this is the trade I took. So let's go to the strategy. So the first things first, three main topics. The first one will be market structure. The second one will be the different shifts in market structure, and the third one will be multi-time frame analysis. All of them are just market structure, but in multi-time frame analysis, I want to take a trade. How you break it from daily down to the 50 minutes, that is multi-time frame analysis. You get. So first of all, let's talk about market structure. I know you're already familiar with what market structure is. When the market is let's say when the market is moving in this manner, creating higher highs and creating higher lows, this is what we call an uptrend. And why is it an uptrend? Because it keeps creating high, and this high is higher than this high, this high is higher than this high, and this high is higher than this high, and it's creating higher low because this low is higher than this low, higher than this low, higher than this low. So this is what we call an uptrend in the market. You understand? Then for a downtrend, market will be coming down like this, creating lower lows. Like it's the opposite. The opposite of the uptrend, right? In this case, the market was giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This scenario, the market will give us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Lower high and lower low. Now you need to understand that, like, the rule of market structure is whenever this market pushes up and it's in an uptrend, we are in an uptrend. Whenever it pushes up, it will definitely respect this low and it will definitely go up. You understand? It will definitely respect and it will definitely go up until the market wants to change another direction, and that's when we're going to move into the second topic, which is shift in market structure. You understand? So shift in market structure, let me delete this. It's when, let's say, we have two shifts in market structure. We have the change of character and we have the break of structure. The break of structure is a continuation, while the change of character is a reverse. When the market wants to reverse, when the market wants to change direction. You understand? So this is what I mean by break of structure. When this high was taken out, this is a break of structure. BOS. I'm sorry, don't mind when I'm using my phone. As you can see, this is a break of structure. So I want to keep on labeling that out. This here too is a break of structure. This here too is a break of structure. And the same thing goes for this other one too. Break of structure to the downside. I'm not going to mark it all out. Let me just mark two. Let's see here. Break of structure to the downside, and the last one, which is here, break of structure to the downside. Now you need to understand that this break of structure happens in all time frames: the daily, the H4, the 50 minutes, the hourly, the 1 minute. It happens everywhere. You understand? So once once this high this high this first high got taken out, it's called a break of structure. So the market will have to retrace down, then break structure, a break of structure, retrace down, give us a break of structure, retrace down, give us a break of structure. Hence, that's why we call it a break of structure. And the rule in an uptrend is whenever we have a break of structure, the market will retrace to shoot back up. You understand? And the same goes to the downtrend. This is a break of structure because it's breaking the low, and it's also breaking the low. Now that is the first shift in market structure. Now the second shift in market structure is reversal. This BOS is mainly for continuation, while this change of character right here is for reversal. This is when you see the market previously it was pushing up to the upside, then all of a sudden this low that was supposed to hold, you know that this low was holding this low, and this low was the strong low, and this was the strong low. So instead of it coming down and going back up, it did the opposite, it break structure. Now this is what we call a change of structure. The market has changed from a bullish trend to the bearish trend. You understand? So when we have this, to look something like a lower low, a new lower low, a lower high now, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. You understand? So now the market was previously bullish. This market was previously bullish, but something happened there. A shift in market structure, which is a change of character, and the market starts becoming bearish. As you can see, the same thing as the bearish trend, it changed to the bearish trend. You understand? So let me label this out so you won't get confused. So this here is the change of structure. We call it the chalk change of structure. Sorry, yes, change of structure. Now the same thing for a downtrend. If the market is pushing down, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now this high is protected, this low, sorry, got taken out. Then all of a sudden, instead of let me I did a mistake. So instead of we having something like a lower low and a lower high, sorry, a lower high and a lower low, something happened. It did give us what? A change of structure. Now a high that took out the previous low. You understand? This is the high, this is a strong high, this is a strong high, and this is a strong high. The same way, this is a strong low because it took out this high, this is a strong low because it took out this high. This low is strong and this low is strong. So this strong high now that took out this low got taken out. So this is a change of structure. Now if this is a change of structure, the market has changed from bearish to bullish. So in a bullish trend, we are having something like, higher low, higher low, higher low. So the same thing we have here, we have higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is why I say break of structure is continuation, because now that we are pushing up, this break of structure will be for continuation. You understand? This break of structure will be for continuation. Why sorry, let me do this. Why this guy here is for reversal. You understand? This is for reversal. So I hope you understand what market structure is and what the shift of market structure is. Like, this is a very detailed explanation about what is market structure. That is all you need to be profitable in this market, and I'm going to show you why. So let me delete all this out. Okay guys, I just drew something. I want to explain to you the third topic, which is multi-time frame analysis, and there's something I want you guys to know. This is what happens in the market. You understand? So let me make this clear. So now, this market, as you can see, it was formerly in an uptrend. It was formerly in an uptrend, giving us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, which is a change of character, which I explained to you guys. A change of character and a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. You get? So let's take for instance that this here is let me do this change of structure here very well, and this low very well here. So let's do for instance that this is a H4 time frame structure. Like if this is the time H4 time frame, you understand? Now you go to the 15 minutes. If you go to the 15 minutes, what you will see 15 minutes structure in between. So let me see if I can change this color. Let me change this color to red. Let me delete this one and start again. You will see something like this, a 15 minute structure moving its own uptrend like this. Like this. Then you see when the markets want the H4 time frame wants to reverse, the 15 minutes will then give a change of structure and start giving us its own normal break of structure. This is what happens in the 15 minutes time frame. Now the H4 time frame wants to turn to the upside. The 15 minutes as well will then give us a change of character to the upside. This is how it moves in the market. Now the market wants to reverse again, change of character will happen. This is this guy here, and let's see here and here. So guys, as you can see, this here is the H4 structure. This blue line is H4 high, H4 low, H4 high, H4 low. Then if you go to the 15 minutes, you see that whenever the H4 wants to reverse, the 15 minutes will give us a change of scratcher. That is reversal. And whenever the market wants to turn back up, 15 minutes will give us a change of character, change of character, change of character, change of character. You understand? And when the market is pushing up, it will keep on giving us a break of structure to the upside. So the same thing that happened in the H4 time frame is the same thing that is happening in the lower time frame. You understand? So I hope with these three examples you understand, you will be able to backtest this and see how it works in the market. So let me show you guys the example and the trade I took using this exact same concept. I will show you different examples. Let's use MT5. Let's use MT5 right here. So as you can see, when I came to this market, I saw that in the H4 time frame we're pushing lower. Understand? This low gave this high, then this high gave this low, then this low gave this high, then this high gave this low. You understand? So we have another break of structure to the downside here. Don't mind the candlestick. You understand? Break of structure to the downside. Now when we have a break of structure to the downside, you have to go to the, what did I say? When you have a break of structure to the downside, you go to the 15 minutes time frame and wait for the 15 minutes to retrace back up and give you its own change of character to show you that okay, the market wants to start going down, it wants to start reversing. I'm sorry about that. So if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, which is where I took my entry right here, you see that when this market was pushing up high, it was pushing down. First of all, lower low, lower high, lower low. This lower high gave this lower low. Then something happened there. We had a change of structure indicating that the H4 time frame wants to start going up. Now we had this change of structure. Now we have lower higher low. Instead of lower low, we have higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, change of structure. So we had a change of structure here in the 15 minutes time frame. Now we had the change of structure here.
indicating that the market wants to reverse to the upside. Then we had a change of structure here, indicating the market wants to start going down. You understand? So when we add this change of structure here, this high that took out this, and this low that took out this high got broken, I knew that okay, this market wants to start selling down. So we used our confirmation entry to get this entry right at this spot. I had a 10 pips stop loss. I took my entry right at this spot, and my stop loss was at, I think was 10 pips. It was 10 pips, and I was targeting 40 pips, which is 1 to 4, and which is this low right here. You understand? I was able to take the entry from this resistance here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just tell you guys where I took the entry from. This H4 resistance right there, and SMC we call it rejection, ICT we call it rejection block, SMC we see there's a hidden order block right here. It's none of my business. All I know is I'm taking trade from my resistance, because this is a E formation. You understand? This is an E formation. So I took my entry from here. My stop loss above here 10 pips. So I was able to maximize this trade, and I went out right at this spot. If I could go to my trade history and put it out, you see that that's exactly where I took my trade, and this is exactly where I went out. You understand? But let's go to GJ. So I'll show you guys the example on GJ. The example of trade I took this trade right here. This trade right here. We had a break of structure here. The same thing happened here. Break of structure. Wait for 15 minutes to retrace, give you an entry, and you start selling down. The same thing too happened right here. We had this break of structure to the downside, and now the 15 minutes we retrace back up and start selling down, right? So if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you will see that now this 15 minutes right here previously was coming in lower low. Then all of a sudden this high that took out this low shifted. So this is a sign of reversal that the market wants to start going up. Now we want to get that sign of reversal in the opposite direction, so we can start selling the market down, because with this reversal it will tell us that the market in the H4 time frame wants to start selling down to the downside. You understand? So when I saw this higher high, low, lower high, I knew that okay, this market wants to start selling down. So immediately I took my trade from here, right here. So let me show you guys the proof of the trade. So let's see. Okay, this it. No, this is the USD CHF. I use the same start. I'm looking for this entry so I can show you guys the example. So I'm going to go back to that. Okay, yes, this is the entry on GG. As you can see, I'm not capping. I say I took the trade exactly, and this is the reason why I took the trade. Multi-time frame analysis. The strategy is just simple. Use H4 time frame and use your 15 minutes time frame. You don't have to stress yourself. Just use the market structure. You understand? And let me show you this example. Let me just know where I took this trade from. USD CHF 1 hour selling down, H4. Okay, let me see if I can find this setup. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can find this setup. Okay guys, I found the entry. What I did was I went to the date I took this trade, which is December 5th, around December 5th. Then I used this line here to get to the place. So this is the place, and let me explain. I think I remember what I did here. As you can see, let me explain the movement for you guys so you guys can see what I meant. Now if you look at this structure, you see that it was moving on a high, a low, a high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So what is this? Oh yes, I took a buy here too. I will explain this buy as well. what did this high give? This high gave us a higher high. What are we expecting? A higher low and a higher high. You understand? But on this case scenario, look at what the market did. This low got taken out, which is what? A change of structure. This low got taken out. You understand? So this high disrespected this low, therefore giving us a change of structure in the higher time frame, showing that okay, what we need now is 15 minutes to retrace, and we are going to start looking for sales because the H4 time frame has given us a change of character. You understand? So now we had a change of character. I went to the 15 minutes time frame, which is I think here. Yes, I went to the 15 minutes time frame, and going to the 15 minute time frame, what did the market do in the 15 minutes time frame? Look, the market was previously on the downtrend, lower high, lower low. There's something happened, it changed here. Now when it changed, I knew that okay, H4 time frame wants to start pushing to the upside. Then it pushed to the upside. Then it started giving us a high, a low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high, and a lower low, which is a change of structure. So the same thing that happened in the H4 time frame, H4 change of structure, is the same thing that happened in the 15 minutes change of structure. So I knew that okay, this happened, so I'll just have to take my trade, and yeah, that's how I took it. I waited for the market. After this change of structure, I waited for the market to retrace, and I took the trade. I think it was right here. My stop loss was right here, and I targeted this low right here. I shared the signal on my Telegram, so I'm not capping. You understand? So now I told you guys that I also took this back. Let's go back to the 4 hours. I don't want to waste time again. I just want to show you that this strategy really works. I took a trade right here. With the same strategy, but I mainly focus on USD CHF and GBP JPY. So now if you look, the market was pushing up in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this was the strong low and this was the high. So what I was waiting for is the market to come down in 15 minutes time frame, give me a change of structure, then I take my buy to the upside. You understand? So now if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, which is right here, 15 minutes time frame, when the market want to start coming down, what did it do? It gave us a change of character, indicating that the market wants to reverse. If you don't see it, let me show you a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This low that took out this high got taken out. So this was a change of structure. A lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low. Then guess what happened? This high, this particular high that gave this low was disrespected around here. So when it was disrespected, I saw that okay, the change of structure has happened. I waited for the retracement. I took my trade from here. My target was right. My target was at this high, right at this high here. You understand? So let me bring out the entry. I don't know. Yeah, this is the entry. And this day I also took a GU sell as well, right from the top. You see my stop loss right from the top to right there, and it's the same strategy. That I also took USD CHF, which is the buy I showed you guys. This buy, if you look at the number, you see that 088316 for the USD CHF is the same numbers as here. If you look at it, 088316, as you can see it, this is exactly where I took my trade here. So this strategy works, and I've been using this strategy for a while now. It works. All you need to do is wait for the change of structure, or wait for the break of structure. Wait for 15 minutes to retrace back and give you your entry. You understand? It's simple as it is. That is just a simple and mechanical strategy, because the market structure is always and will always be king. And that's the truth. The market structure will always be king. So guys, if you enjoy this content, I know it's long, but I calm down to explain this market structure strategy to you guys. If you enjoy this content, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping more content like this. And also I want you guys to follow my IG. Let me show you guys my IG. I post important educational stuff right here. As you can see, I posted the trade I took, which I just explained to you guys. I posted it. It was sent to the team. As you can see, I drew what this for you guys to go and back test. Yes, as you can see, this is the strategy is what I use in taking all these trades. You see, all these trades you see. The strategy works both on gold, it works in everything. All you have to do is just practice, and you see that the strategy really works. You understand? So guys, I will be going off now, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel.